Welcome, welcome, welcome. As I welcome you all, I want to remind us all that we are truly intuitive atoms. The way that we love, the way that we empower, the way that we create, in which the way that we uplift each other, we are the way to our own greatness. We are one on our path of greatness, for we are atoms with much power to offer. For we are atoms of the holy embodiment of the Creator Himself. For we are intuitive atoms. One of our sparks can set the whole world ablaze. Welcome to Intuitive Atom. As I proceed, beloveds, I send you all much love and much conquering energies, much strength through the one and only, much repulsive energy, beloveds. As I proceed, entitled The Wellness of Our Being. We'll be okay. We will be okay. You see, beloveds, the season of victory is over us all. And for we embrace the season of victory for the oneness of us all. We do not look down on the darkness, but we merely accept it as oneness with the light. Accept the good and the bad as they come unfolding in your lives. And trust that the power, the Creator, Almighty One that lives within you shall bring you out and into the light. Things have not been easy for us lately, beloveds. For I truly understand. But I'm proud of us all for holding on and holding and making us a second chance. For working together to make it through this rough time. I know we'll be okay in the end. And I hope you believe that also. Because no matter how hard things become, at times it's only a part of any relationship. It's a part of any kingdom, any creation. And I do believe it will make us stronger. It will bring us closer as one together. and it will solidify our love for one another. But first, beloveds, let's always challenge ourselves in the midst of the almighty challenge. So I challenge each and every one of you. I challenge you to trust your process. Put your trust into the universe, beloveds, and say, we'll be okay. Because our love is our bond, and our bond is of the Almighty. We will be okay. We will make it. For I truly love you all, and I send my dears condolences to those that are having harsh times, that are in the rough patches of life. For we want you all to know that we will make it. Peace. Blessings to us all in the almighty light.